Ackie Monitor facts you didn't know. When most people think of monitor lizards, massive Komodo dragons or aggressive Nile monitors often come to mind. However, tucked away in the arid landscapes of Australia lives a remarkable reptile that's capturing the hearts of herpetologists and pet enthusiasts worldwide, the Ackie Monitor. Also known as the ridge-tailed monitor or spiny-tailed monitor, Varanus acantharus *, this compact powerhouse is packed with surprising characteristics that make it one of the most fascinating members of the monitor lizard family. A miniature marvel from down under. Unlike their giant cousins, Ackie monitors are refreshingly manageable in size. Adults typically reach only 24 to 28 inches in total length, with nearly half of that being their distinctive spiny tail. This compact stature makes them the smallest monitor species commonly kept in captivity, yet don't let their size fool you, these lizards pack enormous personality into their petite frames. Native to the rocky outcrops and semi-arid regions of northern and western Australia, Ackie monitors have evolved to thrive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. Their natural habitat consists of rocky crevices, spinifex grasslands, and scrubland where temperatures can soar above 120 degrees Fahrenheit during the day and drop dramatically at night. The tale of two subspecies. What many people don't realize is that there are actually two distinct subspecies of Ackie monitors, each with its own unique characteristics and geographical distribution. The red Ackie, Varanus acantharus *, is found primarily in the Pilbara region of Western Australia and is distinguished by its vibrant reddish-orange coloration and slightly smaller size. These fiery beauties are considered the crown jewel among Ackie enthusiasts. The yellow Ackie, Varanus acantharus *, on the other hand, inhabits a much larger range across northern Australia and displays beautiful golden yellow tones with intricate banding patterns. While slightly larger than their red counterparts, yellow Ackies are equally stunning and often easier to find in the pet trade. Masters of thermoregulation. One of the most impressive aspects of Ackie monitor biology is their sophisticated thermoregulatory behavior. These reptiles are essentially living solar panels, capable of precise temperature control that would make any engineer envious. They can raise their core body temperature from a cool 70 degrees Fahrenheit to an optimal 95 degrees Fahrenheit in just minutes by strategically positioning themselves in relation to heat sources. During the scorching Australian summer, Ackies demonstrate remarkable behavioral flexibility. They become crepuscular, meaning they're most active during the cooler dawn and dusk hours, retreating to the safety of rock crevices during the brutal midday heat. This adaptation allows them to remain active in environments where many other reptiles would simply shut down. Intelligence that rivals birds. Perhaps the most surprising fact about Ackie monitors is their remarkable intelligence. These lizards possess cognitive abilities that rival those of many birds and mammals. They can learn to recognize individual humans, solve complex problems, and even engage in what appears to be play behavior, something rarely observed in reptiles. Ackie owners frequently report their pets learning to anticipate feeding times, responding to their names, and even seeking out human interaction. Some individuals have been observed using tools, such as pushing rocks to create better basking spots or manipulating objects to access food. This level of problem-solving ability places them among the most intelligent reptiles on the planet. Built-in air conditioning system. Ackie monitors possess a fascinating physiological adaptation called gular pumping, a rapid throat movement that helps them regulate their body temperature. When overheated, they pump their throat rapidly, which increases air flow over the moist surfaces of their mouth and throat, creating a cooling effect similar to panting in mammals. This behavior, combined with their ability to change their coloration slightly to reflect more or less heat, makes them incredibly efficient at managing their body temperature. Social butterflies of the reptile world. Unlike many monitor species that are strictly solitary, Ackie monitors display surprisingly complex social behaviors. In the wild, they often share basking sites and even den sites with other individuals. During the breeding season, males engage in elaborate combat rituals that involve wrestling, tail slapping, and impressive displays of dominance that can last for hours. What's particularly interesting is that these confrontations rarely result in serious injury. Instead, they appear to be more about establishing hierarchy and impressing potential mates. The loser typically submits by lying flat and remaining motionless until the victor moves away, a behavior that demonstrates a level of social sophistication uncommon in the reptile world. Dietary diversity and hunting prowess. Ackie monitors are opportunistic predators with an incredibly diverse diet. In the wild, they consume everything from insects and spiders to small lizards, eggs, and even occasional plant matter. Their hunting strategy is particularly fascinating. They use their keen eyesight and excellent sense of smell to locate prey, then employ lightning-fast reflexes to capture it. These monitors possess a unique feeding behavior called prey shaking, where they grab their prey and shake it vigorously to disorient or kill it before swallowing. This behavior is so ingrained that captive Ackies often shake their food even when it's already dead, a charming throwback to their wild instincts. Reproduction, a marathon, not a sprint. The reproductive cycle of Ackie monitors is remarkably extended compared to many reptiles. Females can carry eggs for up to 8 months before laying them, and the incubation period can last another 6 to 7 months. This lengthy process ensures that babies are born during optimal environmental conditions, typically coinciding with the Australian spring when food is abundant and temperatures are moderate. Baby Ackies are incredibly precocious, capable of hunting and fending for themselves almost immediately after hatching. However, they face numerous challenges in their first year, with survival rates in the wild estimated to be quite low due to predation and environmental pressures. Conservation status, a success story. Unlike many of their monitor relatives, Ackie monitors are currently considered stable in the wild. Their adaptability to harsh environments and ability to exploit various food sources have helped them maintain healthy populations throughout their range. However, habitat destruction and collection for the pet trade remain ongoing concerns. Interestingly, the thriving captive breeding programs for Ackies have actually reduced pressure on wild populations. Most Ackies in the pet trade today are captive bred, which is beneficial for both conservation and the animals themselves, as captive bred individuals tend to be healthier and better adapted to life in terrariums. The Ackie monitor stands as a testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of Australian wildlife. These remarkable reptiles challenge our preconceptions about monitor lizards and reptilian intelligence while providing endless fascination for those lucky enough to observe them. Whether basking on a sun-baked rock in the Australian outback or exploring an enrichment-filled terrarium, Ackie monitors continue to surprise and delight with their complex behaviors and engaging personalities. As our understanding of these amazing creatures continues to grow, one thing becomes increasingly clear: there's far more to the humble Ackie monitor than meets the eye. They represent a perfect example of how nature packages incredible complexity and capability into even the smallest of forms. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.